I'm Janet Kaploon, and I'm here to show you how to use the new Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. I posted about it when I got it. Everybody asked me for a tutorial, so here it is. So I will be showing you step by step how to use this gorgeous new palette with earthy tones to make your eyes pop. Enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial using the new Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. Please let me know if you try it out and if it works for you. And if not, also let me know because I need to keep getting better at this and I want to help you. For more tips and information, remember to check out my blog, HispanicGlobal.net. You can also find me on YouTube, on Facebook, and of course here on IGTV as well. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.